Can JavaScript destructuring simplify function signatures? Imagine writing functions that are easier to read and use. Sounds good, right? Well, JavaScript's destructuring feature can help make that happen. Destructuring is a syntax introduced in the S6 version of JavaScript. It allows you to unpack values from arrays or properties from objects into separate variables quickly. When you use destructuring in function parameters, it can make your code cleaner and more flexible. Instead of passing a bunch of individual arguments, you can pass a single object with all the data. Then, inside the function, you can extract only the parts you need. For example, instead of writing a function with multiple parameters like name, age, and asadmin, you can write one that takes an object and pulls out those properties directly. This way, the function signature clearly shows what data it expects. It also makes calling the function easier because you can pass an object with properties in any order. Plus, you can assign default values right in the destructuring pattern. That means if a property is missing, you can set a default, making your code more resilient. Destructuring also simplifies handling nested data. If you have an object within an object, you can extract nested properties in one go. This reduces the need for multiple lines of code and keeps things tidy. It's especially helpful in web development when working with complex data structures like API responses or component properties. But, keep in mind, if your function only needs a couple of simple parameters, using multiple arguments might be clearer. Also, destructuring can add a tiny bit of overhead because of property access, but that's usually not noticeable. Overusing destructuring in very simple functions can sometimes make the code harder to follow. Overall, destructuring is a powerful tool for making function signatures more concise and understandable. It aligns well with modern JavaScript practices, helping you write cleaner, more maintainable code. When used thoughtfully, it can save you time and reduce errors, making your coding experience smoother and more enjoyable.